Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nurul Brianingsih, MK Perekonomian Indonesia, NIM 501200524, kelas 4F. Di sini saya akan membacakan artikel yang telah saya tulis. Yang pertama, Learning from Post-Earthquake Disaster, the need for knowledge management system to enhance infrastructure resilience in Indonesia. Yang kedua, developers' behavior in local infrastructure provision in Indonesia, implication for police. Yang ketiga, infrastructure development and consistent forest governance threaten the leisure ecosystem Indonesia. Yang keempat, the plantation and the mine, comment on after the land grab, infrastructural violence and the mafia system in Indonesia, oil palm plantation zone by Tania Lee. Yang kelima, after the land grab, infrastructural violence and the mafia system in Indonesia, oil palm plantation zone. Yang keenam, territorializing spatial data controlling land through one map project in Indonesia and Myanmar. Yang ketujuh, the effect of port development on coastal water quality, evidence of eutrophic states in Indonesia. 8. Barrier and facilitator of personal health record adoption in Indonesia health facilities perspective. Yang ke-8, yang ke-9, Indonesian hospital preparedness for handling COVID-19 in the early onset of an outbreak, a qualitative study of nurse managers. 10. Drivers of barriers to a commerce adoption in Indonesia, individuals' perspective and the implication. 11. Bringing state-owned entities back into the industrial policy debate, the case of Indonesia. 12. Impact of Village Fund on post-disaster economic recovery in rural Aceh, Indonesia. 13. Do limited resource hospital improve medical care utilization in underdeveloped areas, evidence from mobile hospital in Indonesia. 14. A paradigm shift of energy sources, critical review on competitive dynamic of solar PV industry in Indonesia. 15. Planning support system for strategy implementation of nature-based solution in the Global Zone's current role and future potential in Indonesia. 16. Risk-based Interbil Makassar Parepare Railway Development Indonesia. 17. Emergency remote teaching evaluation of the higher education in Indonesia. 18. Barrier and enable to the provision of postnatal newborn care at community health centers in Sika District as Nusa Tenggara Province Indonesia. 19. A system dynamic thinking for modeling infrastructure project duration acceleration. This white paper aims to determine the impact of continuous acceleration on contingent benefit and cost. This method was a holistic dataset of infrastructure project development in Surabaya 2020, Indonesia, followed by system dynamic SDM modeling, ending with a scenario related to accelerate project duration, additional benefit, and cash cost. To do accelerating a project can improve the performance of the project by considering the impact on profit and reservoir with a scheduled performance index up to 1,06 reduced indirect costs can increase profit from 1,05 to 4,73%. Otherwise, the cost collapse will reduce the contingent cost from 0,43 of the contract amount to 1,91%. Surat 20, the link between fiscal decentralization and poverty evidence from Indonesia. Dua-dua. A sustainability assessment of decentralized water supply system in Bandung City, Indonesia. 23. Detection of vintage P2P lending issue in Indonesia. 24. Challenge in implementing the policy and strategy for management of radioactive waste and nuclear spillage in Indonesia. 25. Strategi for active IT business alignment in gaming industry in Indonesia. 26. The interplay of structural and external factors for strengthening midwifery education in Indonesia. 27. Working from home effectiveness during COVID-19 evidence from university staff in Indonesia. 28. Coal power and coal-powered politics in Indonesia. Referensinya Ordonez J.A. Jacob, M, Stekel, J.C. et al. 2021. Coal power and coal-powered politics in Indonesia. Environmental skills and policy. 29. Mega conversion from LPG to induction stove to active Indonesia clean energy transition. 30. The course of broken dreams, the expectation and realities of the life of Indonesia nurse as care workers in Japan. 31. Modeling all livestock Indonesia. 32. Contested transition, exploring the politics and process of regional energy planning in Indonesia. 33. The evolution of sustainability reporting practices in Indonesia. 34. Assessing the food control system in Indonesia, a conceptual framework. 35. Speed, choice, and spearing behavior on Indonesia Hype was extending the theory of planet behavior. 36. Does climate transparency enhance the reflexive capacity of state actors to improve mitigation performance in the case of Indonesia? 37. Analysis of the effects of maritime sector development in support Indonesia Navy ship operation. Indonesia is a large archipelago country. This position triggers force from of threats to national interest, especially maritime security. Therefore, Indonesia needs to balance in with adequate maritime security capabilities and strength. One of the strategies is to build a new naval base, Lanal, in a strategic area Tanjung Benua. Using system dynamics, we investigate the impacts of the development. Simulation are conducted for short-term, medium-term, and long-term development. The results showed that the influential factors were the utility and capacity of the port. Therefore, the construction of this new support can increase LANL support for vessel operation by the Indonesia Navy. 38. Screening for emotional problems, diagnostic inquiry of the strength and difficulties questionnaire Indonesia version. 39. Breaking barrier to low carbon development in Indonesia, development of renewable energy. 40. Site suitability-based spatial weighted multi-criteria analysis from nuclear power plants in Indonesia. 41. Smallholder in agro-industrial production relation for rural development from a comparative analysis of Ghana's and Indonesian oil palm sector. 42. Communication technology support in disaster-prone areas, case study of earthquake, tsunami, and liquefaction in Palu, Indonesia. 43. An experimental study of ROY kit for COVID-19 information sharing in rural island of Indonesia. Indonesia is one of the countries that have suffered the most from the COVID-19 pandemic. The government is still challenged to manage the delivery of information related to COVID-19 because many people live in island villages. It aims to offer a quick and simple solution for the government in conferring COVID-19 information on rural island without adequate telecommunication infrastructure. The technical solution is based on the Raspberry Pi technology cell, the RYO-KIT. We checked the RYO-KIT based on 4 parameters: namely signal strength, signal quality, bit rate, and quota. The bottom line is that the RYO-KIT is the right solution to the problem. 44. Road mortality threatened endemic species in the national park in Sulawesi, Indonesia. 45. 150 years of social security research in Indonesia, shifting topic, models of research, and gender balance. 46. Literacy culture management of elementary school Indonesia. 47. Executive Achievement Fowler Corporate Strategy, a case study of the bankruptcy of the state-owned Indonesia Airlines Garuda Indonesia. 49. Making illegality visible, the governance dilemmas created by visualizing illegal palm oil plantations in Central Kalimantan, Indonesia. 49. analyzing the factor that influence the setting and sharing of information on the smart city digital platform racial evidence from Indonesia. 50. Screening for emotional problem diagnostic accuracy of the strength and difficulties questionnaire Indonesia version. Reference Valentia, S titik, Turnip, S titik S 2022 Screening for Emotional Problem Diagnostic Accuracy of the Strength and Difficulties Questionnaire Indonesia version Asian Journal of Psychiatry. Demikian pembacaan artikel dari saya. Apabila ada yang salah, saya mohon maaf. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.